Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting Google Drive because this is the only way to persist and access local-like files in Colab. First, confirm you're signed into the right Google account and open your notebook. Then run the mount command so Colab can access files stored in Drive. You'll authorize via the link and paste the token. Once mounted, the drive appears under /content/drive. You can list directories to confirm. This step connects your session to files. It's essential. Once done mounting, you work directly in Drive path so your changes persist. You can read files with pandas, plain open, or run shell commands using to inspect folders. If you uploaded from your desktop via Files, Upload, immediately move those files into /content/drive/my drive so they're saved long-term, otherwise a session reset will remove them. Make sure to use absolute paths and check permissions. This approach keeps your workflow reproducible and prevents accidental data loss. To finish, always write outputs back into Drive paths so results persist beyond the notebook's life. Use flush and unmount when done to ensure buffers are written, and then you can safely disconnect the account. If something goes wrong, mount token errors, missing files, or quota issues, revoke and reauthorize access, restart the runtime, and remount. Also verify exact path spelling and my drive capitalization. Following these steps prevents data loss and explains why mounting Drive is the only reliable method for local file use in Colab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.